All right, boys and girls, it's Sunday. Had a little time. Thought I'd go ahead and get my wife's car right a little bit, do a little bit of work to them, get these headlight right first, and then I'm going to get her clayed. I'm going to get her washed, clayed, and slap a ceramic coat on it. So guys, I'll see you in a little while. All right, guys, this is an 800 grit. I'm going to start with an 800 grit, put it with some water, move her up. Yeah, let's keep it sandy, boys. Look at all that brown. See all that brown stuff coming off? Mmm, beautiful. Yeah, guys, you're sanding, so expect some cloudiness on that first pass. All right, we're gonna switch over to our 1200. We're gonna get out there. Wait a minute, I see some stuff. We're gonna level it out a little bit more right here. All right. Mm-hmm. Now we're gonna switch over. We're gonna switch over to a 1200 grit to remove sanding marks from the 800. Now it's important that you keep this lube moist. Let's get to work. Again, you want to keep this lube. You don't want it to dry. And how long you sand, it's going to depend on the severity and what kind of clarity you're looking for. Me, it's my wife's car, so I'm looking for some good clarity. Don't want to drive around, can't see. Some people like to start right there for 1200. But me, I want to hit it with a 3000. Just to, just to get them down just a little bit more. Let's refine them just a little bit more. I don't have a lot of time, be busy. But I had some time today. So I'll go ahead and take care of my wife's car. We need a little work done. You can almost feel it snagging, so if you feel it snag, you want to lube it up a little bit more. Yeah, you should feel that smooth. Now tell me, how do you do your lights? How do you guys do your headlights? And and this is not gonna be, this probably won't be perfect because, like I said, it's my wife's car. I'm just out here, and I don't know if she want to keep the car or not. She's thinking about trading the car, getting another. So, but in the meantime, I'm gonna keep her safe so she can see at night. Now, I don't know what kind of compound you use, but now it's time for a little compound. Now, for me, I'm going to use 110 by McGuire's Mirror Glaze to remove the sand marks that I've already put in there. And then I'll put a little polish on the outside. And again, this is McGuire's Ultra Glaze. I'm going to turn it down. Move that out right here. And just to move the final sand mark that you already just put in there. You don't want to put too much on here. I think I just did. Yep. Definitely put too much on here. But oh well. It'll be alright. Won't hurt nothing. With my pockets. Alright. Throw a little polish on there. I think I'll do it by hand. I think I'll put this on with hand. I think I'll do this with hand. Power. Won't need much. See how we looking? We're looking good. That's it, boys. That's how you sand headlights. Alright, we're getting ready to get on this one now. I gotta retape this thing. But as you see, did a good look. Another job done. Get that thing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Now I gotta do the engine and a few things. We're gonna get this right. Get it washed up, clay board, ceramic coated, and let my wife be on her merry way.